recording. Oh, I'm on scene.
Advise, we're gonna be the Metro Tower. We're gonna be in the right over here. Yep.
Up, I hear you guys.
Advise, to her shots fired. Unknown location. Just stand by.
Spirits.
What's the word?
What do you mean, what's the word? Why y'all have a gun out?
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
Oh.
Okay, I don't know whose siren that is, but
Mine.
GG.
John, are you the one with red hair? I don't know. He's not even here. Is John the one with red hair?
Yes.
Okay.
He's Cheeto Man.
He's
Cheeto hair.
Okay, I'm gonna turn my siren off. Since none of y'all are capable of...
Well, I would have, but I don't think I can actually get in your car without it hopping out instantly. Also, do we have eyes on a suspect? Like, what's the description?
No. Is
I
the
was
only
shot.
guy here that was him.
I was shot on the head. In the head.
Okay,
Point
so
blank.
in the gray car, the gray Mustang, there will be a person there dead because I shot him in the head and then he ran me over and his car ended up over there. That's what you see on the dash cam, so...
I'm heading over to the Mustang.
Damn, I should have stabbed
He's not there yet.
What do you? That's the whole. That was the plan. But then you're out here kamikazing into him, and then you miss.
Wait, Devin, do you want me to bring you? Or are you
I
at...
guess
Okay.
abuse. How'd the Mustang end up over here?
I don't know.
You got
Because your
Was there
body,
extra shots
your
fired,
foot...
or was there no more shots fired?
No more. It was just one straight bullet.
Yeah, I heard it. Me and John.
Battle, go put your freaking M4 up. Okay, you need to actually walk to your car and have it out still. There's no way you would just... What is it, GTA and shoving it up your ass?
You know it.
That's how it is regularly, bruh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shove your M4 up your ass.
Roleplay putting in their trunk. They just.
Why they have to run over John like that, man?
Well,
I
we
don't
were
know.
gonna
Why did Devin
stamp
have to
him.
run me over?
Well, cause
Oh, what the-
that's cause
Oh, I mean,
that's cause Soka tried to kamikaze, but then like he messed up at it.
John, do you not have a med kit?
They ran over Tyler. Reed.
No one's brought me
Oh
one
my-
yet, so I'm trying to keep.
Yo, Devin, we're about to
What?
have some problems, man. It's
Officer,
on site.
I'll kill you too.
Oh my god, oh my god.
What?
Goodness.
What? Okay, I just need you to calm down, man. Just calm down.
My leg, officer.
Okay, sir, I need you to calm down. Just lay down. Just lay down.
Before we continue, can someone tell Striker to frickin' unmute me?
What?
Sir, I need.
Okay,
Stop.
someone tell Striker to unmute Francis Hartford.
Just
Striker, unmute
Hey.
Francis.
what?
Unmute Francis.
Unmute him.
cute when he cries.
Did you say he
Stop
sounds
moving.
cute when he cries? What the fuck?
What the fuck? Yo, no.
Sir, stop
No,
moving.
what are you doing, Devin?
Yo, Striker, can you hear me now?
Ow, ow, ow,
I'm
ow,
trying to
ow,
park your
ow,
car
ow.
from... Just
Someone tell
put it in park. Just put it in park.
Yo, Soka, tell him to
Jesus
unmute me again,
Christ.
please.
Oh, my finger foot slipped.
Soka, tell him to unmute me again.
It's too late now.
My finger foot slipped.
You just want
Striker
me to...
Francis.
Alrighty then. Who the hell is that running or going across? Oh, what did I miss? What is going on over
Shoot
there?
Ow.
Don't worry, John. You'll be alright.
Alright,
Grabs him. Oh my god, fine.
I'm better.
Ow. Oh, my leg. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, ow, ow.
make sure I make it where your leg isn't touching the ground.
Okay. Oh, they fixed it where I don't have to.
Is he the suspect?
I don't even know at this point.
Yes.
I blame.
He is the suspect?
Him and another person that's dead.
Yeah, the person that got shot in the brain.
Yeah.
That shot.
Bro,
Okay,
that's-
medical takes you. Medical takes you.
The person
Okay,
that got shot
stop
in the
moving my screen. Stop.
that got shot in the brain
Did
has
you guys
no more
search him and get a
knowledge.
name?
We can get his name at the hospital.
So,
you better
are you
ride
gonna
with the
stop or
ambulance.
no?
Yes.
Wait, he never gave me my ID back.
You're dead.
Oh, yes.
You have to ride with the.
Medical took you already.
Yeah, we're working on Chief here, boys.
Okay, if we got the identity at the hospital, what would the name be?
Oh, hold on.
Chief
I
never
gotta figure
gave
this
me
out now.
Hehe.
You're
Coroner?
dead. You don't
Night.
need an ID.
I know, but you never
How
gave me
many-
back
how
my
many
ID.
Looks like he
How many
said
left then?
Corona.
You ran.
Alright.
I did not run.
3.
What do you mean?
One left.
Oh, we're lifting.